Assalamualaikum everyone. I am Rukhsar Anwar on the behalf of English and faculty. As you all know very well that I am a teacher of English. Okay, today we are going to discuss about a question. The question is that what are the most effective ways to improve English language? So let me discuss it with you. Language, if a person wants to learn a language, so it isn't an easy task. Sometimes we have to face hurdles and difficulties to learn any new language. जब भी हम किसी नई लैंग्वेज को सीखना चाहते हैं तो वो एक आसान बात नहीं होती, बट इट इज़ नॉट इम्पॉसिबल एज वेल, इट इज़ पॉसिबल। ये इम्पॉसिबल भी नहीं है, नामुमकिन भी नहीं है, हम सीख सकते हैं। कुछ वेज के साथ, कुछ तरीकों के साथ हम अपनी लैंग्वेज को इम्प्रूव कर सकते हैं। एज वी ऑल नो वेरी वेल दैट इंग्लिश इज spoken all over the world, and it is a language of more than 400 million people. It means that English is a language of more than 67 countries. As we all know very well that English is a language of modern technology. It is a language of internet. It is a language of technologies that we are using nowadays. So English is somehow as more important for us. English बहुत ज़्यादा ज़रूरी है हम सबके लिए। हम अगर बात करें आजकल के क्यूरिकुलम की, आजकल की बुक्स की, तो वो भी हमारे पास मेजॉरिटी ऑफ द बुक्स वो जो हमारे पास इंग्लिश में है। टुडे वी विल डिस्कस सम इफेक्टिव वेज। सो किसी भी लैंग्वेज को सीखने के लिए सबसे पहला स्टेप क्या होना चाहिए? इफ एन इंडिविजुअल वांट्स टू स्पीक English language, so what should be the first step? What should be the first way that he or she should use to improve or enhance his English skills? So the first way is listening. Listening means sunna. Why did I choose listening first? What is the reason to choose listening? Because as we all know very well that listening plays a vital role in any language. It is utmost important. It is a basic step to learn any language. If I give you an example of a child, so how he start to speak? First, in first starting month, he just listen his mother. And with the passage of time, he starts to imitate those particular words. By listening, he starts to speak. If you are listening anybody, if you are listening native speaker, so it will definitely helpful for you to improve your language. If I talk about myself, if I talk about every one of us, so listening can play a vital role for all of us. If you want to learn English, if you want to make your if you want to speak it fluently, so you just need to follow this way, listening. By listening, you can improve your language skills. As I gave you the example before of a child, that a child learns to speak by listening her mother. On daily basis, he is listening his mother, and after some time, after few months, he start to imitate some words. That is why I said that listening is very important. After that, we have another way to improve our language. The second step, another important step is speaking. Speaking is also very important. It is very, very important for a learner, for especially a language learner, to speak fluently. If I just listen the people, if I just read the novels, and if I'm just listening native speaker on daily basis, but I am failed to use those old words in my daily conversation, so I can't learn any language. I'm not only talking about English, I am talking about every language. Speaking speaking is very important. If you just learn a single word, try to use that word in your daily conversation. If you just learn a sentence, try to use that sentence in your daily language. Try to practice, try to do practice. Speaking will definitely helpful for you, because if you are not able to speak, so how will you learn? You have to try, you have to try, you have to put your effort. I know that everyone has a fear. Everyone has a fear that if I speak, so I'll commit the mistake. So don't worry to commit the mistakes. Mistakes are the part of life. If we want to do something, if an individual wants to do something, so he definitely commit mistake. We can't achieve anything on the first step, or if I try something, so I can't achieve my complete goal at first attempt. I have to try a lot of attempts. I have to repeatedly, I keep on practicing. That's why I said speaking is very important. As I told you, you are a starter student. As I told you, if I'm teaching you SMR, was word, so try to use those things, those uses in your daily language. If you are using it, it's mean you are making yourself habitual to speak that particular language. अगर आपको छोटी चीज़ें भी सिखाई जा रही है, अगर आपको एक वर्ड भी सिखाया जा रहा है, अगर आप एक वर्ड भी कहीं से सुन रहे हैं या सीख रहे हैं, तो आप उसको जो है वो अपनी डेली लैंग्वेज में यूज़ करें. आप ट्राई करें, कोशिश करें. आई नो वी आर ऑल आर अफ्रेड टू कमिट मिस्टेक. हम डरते हैं मिस्टेक कमिट करने से. सो लेट मी टेल यू द थिंग, नो वन इज़ परफेक्ट. कोई परफेक्ट नहीं है, हर कोई मिस्टेक करता है तो सीखता है. इट इज़ ऑल अबाउट द प्रैक्टिस. If you do the practice again and again, you will make yourself able to speak it fluently. Another important step, or what should I say, effective way to improve your language is grammar. Why did I choose grammar in the last? Why did I keep it on third? There is a reason. The reason is that sometimes some people learn English without grammar. As I told you, as I mentioned an example before, as I mentioned an example earlier, that about a child, that how does he speaks, he just imitate his mother. His mother did not teach her the grammar. He just start to speak by listening. So sometime in some situation we can learn a language without grammar as well, but it doesn't mean that grammar is not important. Grammar is also very important. Why it is important? Because grammar tells you the rules and regulations about that particular language which you want to learn. Grammar will tell you that how we'll use each and every formulation according to their rule. Grammar will teach you the different variety of uses and different variety of verbs and alternatives to make your speaking more and more fluent. If you are working on these steps, if you are following these effective way, so I don't think so that you are not able to speak. If you are listening on daily basis, if you are trying to speaking, if you are learning grammar as well, so you will make yourself better. A person or an individual makes himself or herself better by following these ways and techniques. One thing which I would like to tell you, that every individual is different. हर कोई different है. The way to learn is different. Uh, Everyone learns in use different ways and techniques to learn any language. But you just need to know about the process, that in which process you are comfortable. If you want to listen, so I'm not saying that you just need to listen the grammar videos, the videos which will bore you. No, I'm not going to say this. If you are listening any native speaker, if you are listening any kind of video, you just need to watch what in which thing you have interest. If you are interested to watch cartoons in English, so you may. If you are interested to watch dramas in English, so you may. It is all about your interest. First of all, give yourself. You should be comfortable. If you have selected a pattern, as I have told you the pattern, if you want, you should be comfortable. You should enjoy the process. आपको प्रोसेस एंजॉय करना है। किसी भी लैंग्वेज को अगर आप सीख रहे हैं या लैंग्वेज के अलावा आप कोई भी काम कर रहे हैं, उस सीख रहे हैं आप अगर किसी चीज़ को, उसके प्रोसेस को आपको एंजॉय करना होगा। ये नहीं हो सकता कि आप किसी चीज़ से बेजार हैं, आप किसी चीज़ से बोर हैं, तो आप जो है उस चीज़ को करें कंटिन्यूसली, आप कुछ नहीं सीख पाएंगे। आप कुछ चीज़ नहीं सीख पाएंगे अगर आप किसी चीज, अगर आप कुछ चीज़ सीखना चाहते हैं और उसके प्रोसेस को अगर आप एंजॉय नहीं कर रहे, तो आप कुछ भी नहीं सीख सकते। एक प्रोसेस सिलेक्ट करें, एज आई टोल्ड यू सम इफ वेज, इन वेज को फॉलो करें, इन वेज में अपना इंटरेस्ट फाइंड करें कि आप किस चीज़ में इंटरेस्टेड हो। अगर लिसनिंग में आप किसी म्यूजिक सुनना चाहते हो, सो यू में आप सुन सकते हो। बस आपको क्या करना है, इन वेज को फॉलो करना है अपनी स्पीकिंग को बेहतर बनाने के लिए, अपनी स्पीकिंग को अच्छा बनाने के लिए इन वेज को फॉलो करना है। लास्ट बट नॉट द लीस्ट, the thing which I would like to tell you is that you just need to do the practice. You just need to do the practice. Practice make a man or a woman perfect. If you are doing practice, if you are following these all the pattern, if you are practicing on daily basis, so you will make yourself better. You will notice the difference in your own self. You will notice that you are progressing, you are going toward the progress, you are you are changing yourself if you are doing the practice. Without practice no one can learn anything, especially about English, और स्पेशली कोई भी लैंग्वेज जो अगर आप सीखना चाहते हैं, अगर आप उसकी प्रैक्टिस नहीं कर रहे, तो आप उसको नहीं सीख सकते। प्रैक्टिस बहुत ज़्यादा ज़रूरी है किसी भी लैंग्वेज को सीखने के लिए। प्रैक्टिस करेंगे तो बेहतरी नोटिस करेंगे अपने आप में, प्रैक्टिस नहीं करेंगे तो कुछ भी बेहतर नहीं हो सकता। Thank you so much everyone to listen me. Hope you enjoyed it well and try to follow these all techniques in your personal life. Thank you so much.